Today I'm going to show you how to spin 3D logo in After Effects. First, I'm going to export this vector typo I made in Adobe Illustrator in Illustrator file. So all you need to do is go to the file, save as, make sure to select Adobe Illustrator AI and click on save. Let's go to After Effects, drag and drop the logo that you created in Illustrator right here. I'm going to go with merge layer, click OK, and right click on the layer. Let's go to create, select create shape from vector layer. Select the original AI file, click on delete. Now we're going to need to activate the 3D options. All you need to do is go here to this little cube and check it. If you don't have these settings, you can go here to the toggle switches, click on it, and it's going to disappear or appear. Now let's go here where it's written Cinema 3D or 4D. If you're on Classic 3D, all you need to do is change it to Cinema 4D. And I also going to need to change the view mode. Let's go to Custom View 1. And I'm going to go to the layer options here. Let's go to geometric options and let's increase the extrusion depth. Something like this. Now, as you can see, the whole thing is white. There is no contrast going on, so we're going to need to create some light source. All you need to do is right click here, go to new and select light. Make sure to select spot. I'm going to increase the intensity somewhere around 150, click OK. And now I'm going to go and change the view mode to top. And I'm going to place this somewhere here on the right. And you can see here the anchor point. All you need to do is just pull the anchor point like this. And I'm going to go and switch it. Custom view 1. You can also go to default. So now we're going to spin this. So I'm going to go to the geometric options. I'm going to collapse it. Let's go to the transform. And you got here new settings, the X, Y, and Z rotation. So we're going to need to select the Y rotation. And as you can see, if I rotate this, if I increase the number, it is going to rotate the logo. So I'm going to activate the stopwatch. I'm going to go to the 5th second. And I'm going to bring this also in. And instead of rotating manually, I want to rotate it 360 degrees. So all you need to do is go to the 0 here, type in 1, and this is going to rotate it once in 360 degrees. So now it looks something like this, but as you can see, if it rotates to the left, it's going to create this dark area here. So I'm going to create another light source. I'm going to select the spotlight, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to go to the default, select top. And I'm going to bring this, the second light source, somewhere around here. And I'm going to select the anchor point, rotate it into the opposite direction. And as you can see, now it's too hard. So I'm going to go and double click on the spotlight number 2 here on the layer. And I'm going to decrease the intensity. I think I'm going to go with something like 100. Click OK. And this is how you rotate your logo in After Effects. Thanks for watching.